I honestly do not believe this could work, but after trying this, my hair started growing faster than I ever imagined. If your hair break easily, slow growth or feel weak, this video is for you. I am going to show you a simple natural DIY hair growth spray that I use on my own hair and the results shock me. If you are tired of spending money on a product that doesn't work and you need very effective, powerful, potent remedy, please make sure you watch this video to the end. So our first ingredient is mint leaf. You can use fresh mint leaf, you can use dry mint leaf. Two of them are the same, okay? You will still get the same result. Mint leaf is something that you must use in this particular recipe if you are ready to grow your hair with this simple, effective remedy. If you are battling with slow growth, breakage, stagnant growth, mint leaf is a game changer. Mint leaf will help to waken up that dormant follicle, because when your follicles is dormant, you experience slow growth. So mint leaf will help to waken up that dormant follicles, stimulate blood flow and give you faster results. Okay, so I use 1 tablespoon of my mint leaf. Our second ingredient is rosemary. So rosemary can also use fresh one or dry one. Any of them, you are good to go. There are different ways to infuse this and there are different ways to prepare this. I will still let you guys know, okay? Just keep on watching. So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Rosemary is a total game changer, guys. Rosemary is very powerful, very effective. Please feel free to carry on your research on the ingredients we are using in this recipe, and believe me, you will never ever stop using them, because the results you will get and the benefit of this when you carry on your research is mind-blowing. So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my rosemary. Then moving on to our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is cloves. You can use cloves powder, you can use cloves balls. So the one I'm using now is cloves balls. Guys, cloves is very effective. Make sure you add cloves in this particular recipe. For those that always complain that cloves break off their hair, dry off their hair, please watch this video to the end and you will never complain of cloves breaking your hair or drying out your hair. Okay, so I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Then I transfer it into my jar that contain other of my 2 ingredients. Now these are the 3 powerful ingredients we are using in this recipe. There are more things to add on it. Okay, so next thing I will do now is to bring my hot water, to pour in my hot water into my jar that contain my ingredients. Guys, it can do boiling method. Okay, please, if you like doing boiling method, you want to use it fast. Boiling method is a quicker way to prepare this particular recipe. Okay, just pour in your water, put it in a pot and allow it to boil like 5 to 7 minutes. Then bring it down, allow it to cool, then strain it out. Okay, but for me, I so much love doing infused method with some reasons. Okay, so I just cover it up and keep it to infuse for 12 hours. After 12 hours, this is what I have so far. Guys, if you're infusing yours and you have not gotten this darker color, please, meaning that you are doing something wrong. Either you not cover it very well or your water is not that hot enough. So make sure you use hot water and cover your container very well, so that you get good results. Okay, make sure yours is very dark like this so that you will get good results. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So the next thing now is to strain it out and transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. This is the simplest, effective, powerful recipe you can ever imagine. This will blow up your mind. I use this consistent for 7 days and the result is mind-blowing. My hair grows super fast, get more thicker, more healthier, more shiner, shedding reduced instantly. There is no joke. Just make sure you try this particular recipe and come back and share your results with us. Now let me show you how to apply it, because the technique of applying this on your hair is very important. Okay, There are different ways to use this on your hair, but I will tell you the most effective one that can achieve faster visible results in space of just 7 days of using it consistent. Okay, so how to use this to grow your hair faster for those that struggle with slow growth, breakage, shedding, thinning hair, bald spots. Use this once in a day if you want to see visible results in a space of 7 days. Apply this once in a day. Focus on your problem areas, your edges, your bald spots, your scalp. Focus on your scalp mainly and your problem areas. Massage your scalp very well. After applying this on your hair, the next thing you must do is follow up with your leave-in conditioner, because we are not washing this out. You will leave this to sit on your hair. Do not rinse it out. Allow it to sit on your hair so that you can see how effective and how potent this recipe can work on your hair. Okay, then the next thing is to oil your scalp. Make sure you oil your scalp. This is the one of the most mistake a lot of people make, and they always complain that gloves break their hair or dry off their hair. If you are not sealing in the moisture after using gloves on your hair, you just apply gloves and leave your hair. Guys, your hair will break and your hair will dry, yes. But if you follow up with your leave-in conditioner or your butter, then follow up with your oil to oil your scalp, your hair will never break. Gloves will never break off your hair. Okay, just make sure you moisturize your hair very well. Then you will watch your hair grow. You watch your hair look more healthier and reduce your breakage. Okay, then most important thing again you must do after applying this on your hair is to cover up your hair. Cover up your hair with your, if you have steaming cap, perfectly use your steaming cap to steam up your hair like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then remove the steaming cap. But if you don't have steaming cap, use your shower cap to cover up your hair like 20 minutes, then remove it and allow your hair to air dry. Okay, and secondly, whenever you want to use this tea spray, I will advise you to warm it up a little bit. If you can follow these routines, believe me, you will see what will happen on your hair in a space of 7 days. And please, the most important thing again is consistent. Consistent is the key. Okay, if you want to see quicker results with this recipe, make sure you are consistent and you will see crazy results. You will see how your hair will grow. You start noticing a lot of changes on your hair in only space of 7 days. I kid you not, this works so well. Please do not rinse it out of your hair if you want to do the challenge. But if you don't want to do challenge, if you don't want to see quicker results with this recipe, you can go ahead and rinse it out. Whenever you apply it on your hair, you can use it as your final thing rinse. Okay, I have one bonus tip to give to you that will help you to get quicker results in this particular spray. That bonus is to use it before your bedtime. Yes, use it like 2 to 3 hours before your bedtime. Guys, the result you get will be mind-blowing than using it in the morning or in the afternoon. I kid you not. Just try to use it 2 to 3 hours before your bedtime. Be consistent with it with that 7 days. I kid you not, you'll be mind-blowing at the result. Your hair will grow so long, thicker. You get less shedding, less breakage, and you have more length retention. There is no joke. Just try it and you'll be very amazing. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So if you want more real hair growth tips that will actually work, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment in comment section below. Okay, and also do well to share this video to your family and friends. Okay, and also please hit that notification bell so that you will always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.